So here's a quick tip for you. This is a hole I cut in order to connect my new dust collector. And as you can see, it has a decent fit. But it's not really as snug as I want it to be. It's a bit loose. So here's what you can do to quickly seal up this. Simply grab some ordinary wood glue and massage it in. Now there's no need to use a ton of it, but you should get at least a thin layer of glue. Then just let that run dry. Okay, after letting our glue dry, let's see how the fit is. It's a lot. It's almost too tight, but I'm gonna leave it like this because I want it to be flush against the table and still in there good, which is this. So that's how you easily seal something with wood glue. In wood, I suppose. I haven't tried it with any other material. So I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.